Hey, car enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered what a redesigned Honda S2000 might look like in 2025? Today, we're diving into some exclusive insights about a design study by Strosek that Honda considered but ultimately decided to pass on. Let's explore what could have been the next evolution of this legendary roadster. But before we get into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to share it with your friends who are fans of Honda and sports cars. Let's keep the car community growing. First, let's talk about the design study itself. Honda approached Strosek, a renowned design firm, to create a fresh take on the beloved S2000. Although Honda ultimately decided not to deviate much from the original AP1's design, this study gave us a glimpse of what the future S2000 could have looked like. Vittorio Strosek, the founder of the design firm, mentioned that Honda didn't receive a final concept from them. This likely indicates that there were no concrete plans for a successor model at that time. But what we do know is quite fascinating. In the Strosek design study, the front fascia appears wider than the original, featuring sleeker headlights and a distinctive separation between the lower side intakes and the center grille. The hood and front fenders were also reimagined with smoother lines, which flowed beautifully into the redesigned taillights. It's a more evolutionary approach to the classic design. Think of it as how the Porsche Boxster lineage has subtly evolved over the years. When it comes to power, it's safe to assume that the 2025 Honda S2000 would retain the 2.2-liter F22 C1 naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine. This engine, found in the updated Japanese and North American models, produces 237 horsepower and 162 lb-ft of torque. For those of you who love the original's high-revving character, this would be a treat. And the improvements weren't just skin deep. Underneath, Honda made substantial underbody enhancements, including a stiffer subframe, revised suspension geometry, improved spring rates, and retuned shocks. Although the new F22 engine in the AP2 model was limited to 8,000 RPM compared to the AP1's 9,000 RPM, it still offered an exhilarating driving experience. Now, what's next for the S2000? There are rumors swirling about a possible reboot of the model, with some speculating that Honda might bring back the S2000 with a hybrid powertrain or even as a fully electric sports car. This would align with the automotive industry's push toward electrification while retaining the S2000's iconic status as a driver's car. Exciting times ahead, don't you think? That's all for today, folks. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the design possibilities for the 2025 Honda S2000. If you're as excited as we are about what the future holds for this iconic roadster, leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts. And remember, for more awesome car content, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.